5,
4,
3,
2, 1. Hey, what are you thinking? Of course, you must be thinking that now since your secret is out, what excuse will you make? What do I tell Deep? Isn't it?
Wow, Deep, that's great. You have done a great work.
What will your next trick be now?
The entire game is going to fall apart, Deep. So stop thinking about the next move. You would be really happy to know that it is today that the both of us have found out the same secret.
What do you mean?
You really want to know? Then come with me. Don't be scared, Deep. You have a gun and I don't. I will not hurt you. Come on.
Come on. Let's see your new trick as well.
Even I have found something at the same hospital where you found this doctor. And you will be surprised to look at it. Look. The name of that pregnant woman was Tara Raj Singh, right?
Yes, it was.
The next time Tara comes here, then inform me.
Why do I have to inform you about this?
This is the answer to all your questions. Keep the money. Do as much as I say. The child of those demons should not take birth. Did you see that? Arohi is alive. Now stop staring at me and mourn her life.
If Arohi is doing all of this, then there's one thing that I don't understand. If the fingerprints on the glass were not of Tara, then it is also possible that the girl in the video is Arohi, which means you. And it is Tara who has disappeared. If you are not Arohi, then how did it have Arohi's fingerprints instead of you?
How would I know that? Anyway, that girl is very cunning. The girl who can fake her death and escape from prison can easily tamper with the fingerprints in the lab.
Yeah, that's true. However, why would Arohi do this? Hiding as a dead person is the best option for her. Why would she expose herself like this?
I now understand everything. That girl was never dead. She was pretending to be dead. Aren't you witnessing that? Our family has witnessed tons of issues. First, Kalyani attacks mom. Then our relationship gets hampered and brother Virat gets arrested. Deep Arohi is the one who has done all this. Trust me, because I have understood the entire game. I suspect that it was her who had made brother Virat's video too.
I agree that whatever is happening is being done by Arohi. However, Arohi cannot do this unless someone from the house is helping her.
So you mean that I am helping that Arohi? Me, her biggest enemy? Chhi, how can you even think about it, Deep? Tell me if you want to get rid of me and my unborn child. Tell me. But stop chanting Arohi's name in front of me repeatedly, Deep. You always keep chanting her name all the time, Arohi. Arohi, Arohi, Arohi. Go and stay with her. Go and get settled with her. You should be happy, Deep, that your Arohi is alive. You know what, Deep? I have never been scared in my life. However, today, this girl right in front of me has scared me. But do you know what I thought? I thought that since Deep is with me, then I'll fight it all, that I don't have to be scared. But I was wrong. You were never with me, Deep. You were always with Arohi with all your heart. You always looked for her in me, Deep, always. But remember this. I never forgive my enemies, Deep. I will not spare your Arohi.
Listen.
Oh, Goddess. I am doing all this only to find Niku. Please help me, so that Niku comes back to me soon. You. Why have you come here? To apologize to me, right? Go away, Deep. And remember this. I will never forgive you.
No. I am not here to apologize to you. And I will not apologize until I clear all the misunderstandings. Anyway, fake apologies are useless.
You are right, Deep. If these misunderstandings would have been cleared before, then I wouldn't have had such a high hope. I used to curse myself till today. Because I could not become a mother. However, when God blessed me with this joy, then I was really very happy, Deep. I thought that Deep's family would be complete now. Anyway, the people who don't have families and people who are orphans are the happiest when they get a family, right? But perhaps you never wanted all this thing. I did so much for you. I changed myself. I left all my evil business, but you? What did you do? You disheartened me. You taunted me. For Arohi! I'm feeling like aborting my child right now. But I can't even do that. This child hasn't taken birth yet. But it has awakened the affection inside me. Don't even touch me, Deep. Go away from here. I don't even want to see your face. I say go away, or else I will forget that you are my husband. Go away from here.
Listen.
Did you see that? Arohi is alive! You should be happy. You have always loved only Arohi, Deep. You even searched for her inside me.
I don't understand whom to trust and whom to not. There's no coordination between my mind and heart, but is this really true?
Could Deep really be searching for Arohi inside Tara? And what will I do if that really happens?
If this is true, that I'm searching for Arohi in Tara, and the one whom I'm considering to be Tara is Arohi, then
No. If he has been visualizing me in Tara, then I'm sure that it's his conspiracy. Leave aside loving someone, that person can't even look at someone lovingly.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.